So you just started learning JavaScript and now you want to put your knowledge to the test and build some projects. Building projects is a great way to learn any new programming language and sharpen your skills as a programmer. So here are 5 JavaScript project ideas for beginners. 1. To-do list app. This app is simple. Just make an application that can allow the user to type in text, and when they click a button, it gets added to the to-do list. This app will teach you about DOM manipulation in JavaScript, as you'll need to figure out how to get the text to show up after the click of a button. You can also add other features like being able to delete an item, as well as editing it or crossing it off. 2. A quiz app. Create an app that will give the user a series of questions, and if they get an answer right, they get a point. You can create this as a multiple choice or a short answer quiz app, whatever you choose. This app will teach you about JSON and arrays, since you need a place to store the questions. 3. A tip calculator. This app should allow the user to input the cost of a bill. Then the app will automatically calculate how much the user should pay in tips. It's very simple, and all you really need to know is some basic maths. 4. Countdown timer. Pretty simple. Pick a date and create a live countdown timer for it. This project will teach you about set interval in JavaScript. 5. Clone a website. This could be Google, Apple, or even Netflix if you're good, but just recreate any website that you use or is very popular.